Welcome back. Today we are going to divide using mental math and compatible numbers. When I divide using compatible numbers, I try to find the closest fact that I can get to with my divisor. So 430 divided by 9, that doesn't divide evenly. But I know I can look at the first 2 digits in my number, and that's going to tell me where I can look in my multiplication families to be able to find my basic fact. So I need you to think, in my 9s, how close with 9 can I get to 43? And if you go over it a little bit, that's okay. But try to stay as close to 43 as you can get. Right, 45. So I'm going to say 450. You still have to bring your 0 down. Divided by 9. 45 divided by 9 gives me, if I'm not too careful, I can mess up. So I'm going to count by 9s on my hand. I'm going to use my hands to count by 9s. 10, 20, 30, 40. Oh, it's 45. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the finger that went down is the one I count, so that's 5. But is it just 5? Is it just 5? You're right, I'm wrong. It's 50. You have to bring your 0 back and put it back into your answer, into your quotient. So I can't say just 50 because it's an estimate. I have to say it's about 50. It's about 50. I want to look at number 13. 138 divided by 5. So sorry. What is the closest I can get to 13 by 5s? What is the closest I can get to 13 by 5s? I'm going to count by 5 and see if I can get close or closest. Let's count. 5, 10, 15. I know 10 and 15 sandwich 13. So which one would be closest? Which one would be closest? Right, 15. It's 2 away from 13, whereas 10 is 3 away. So I'm going to say 150. This 8 will become a 0 because I estimated, I rounded. Divided by 5. Basic fact is 15 divided by 5. I know I'm already going to be saying about in my quotient, in my answer. So it is about how much? It is about how much? Right, 3. But is it just 3? Should I add a 0 in because I divided by a... Oh, you're right. I do. I need to put a 0 down. Because I divided by a multiple of 10, I have to have a 10 as my answer. I hope this has helped, and I'll see you guys again really soon. Bye.